Yay, another $1. Winner! How?
David, what are you doing?
What do you mean?
You gotta go.
No, we don't.
Yeah.
We can just sit here and die.
No, I'm gonna do it anyways.
Where's the bomb? I don't even know where the bomb is. I don't know anything.
Oh, sure, yeah, he has the fuck with the shield. Yeah, oh, fuck down right now.
I know, that's why I'm wondering, like, how do you get out with the shield?
Alright, we're going behind shield, that's it? Yeah. Let's go.
Oh, watch them fail. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful right now, you guys. One of them's gonna slip. He's gonna die. He's gonna fall. Look at them go. Oh, they're beautiful. Look at them. Oh, I'm so proud. All right, maybe it's time to actually put in some effort. Owie. Oh, I got hit in the thumb. My thumb! See? Yeah, protection. We're defending. Good. That barrel on the top of the hill. Oh, we gotta step that up. So, the game is Death Star. All the attackers have a tennis ball. Their goal is to put said tennis ball in barrel.
I swear, somebody's gonna sneak up behind.
And someone has to blow Lord Vader.
Blow Lord Vader?
Yes, they gotta blow Lord Vader. They gotta feel the power. They gotta feel the power of the dark side. All the attacking players have a tennis ball, and their goal is to put it in that barrel.
And we have medics, so
Yes.
who wants to be it? Right? Only 3. Okay.
I've cried so hard. You know, I used to work at Walgreens.
Like a good
Where are
week.
you?
What?
No, we already got a thing.
Got one over there.
Fuck! Holy! Woo! Yay for med school! Yes, don't push all the way up, get killed, and then call for medics.
If you guys are
You can move your people for the medics. You have to have a hand on them.
Fucking, that's what happened last time we played over here. They had me as medics. 2 guys went all the way to the front and just like got hit. Medic! Fuck you! I'm not. You kidding me?
simple. If there's somebody, if there's an enemy right in front of you, there's no point of calling the medic.
It's like Michael Scott said. If we come across someone with no arms or legs, do we bother resuscitating them?
Your boy's a medic. Keyword is ratatouille.
I thought you were gonna say like erectic or some shit. Like erectile dysfunction. You know what? I actually like that code word better. I like that code word better. Just like fucking get hit. Erectile dysfunction. Over here. Over here. I need some help. I need support. Penis.
Wait, hold on.
Penis. Yes. We're gonna die immediately. Anus. My guy, I'm letting you know we're not gonna fucking help you if you're. You have a death wish, my friend, and there's nothing wrong with that. You almost ate shit. I saw that. Going in the trenches. On top of the hill! Hey, blue, on top of the hill. See if you can get him. You see him at the bunker? On top of the hill, straight ahead. 12 o'clock.